let's go ahead and so guys, we're going to do the random.org for the sketch cards, okay? So we're going to count backwards from 11. So I have all 32 NFL football teams right here. I'm more than happy to show you guys right there. So there's all the NFL teams, okay? I'm going to randomize it 3 times. This is for box 11. Box 11 is the Kevin Durant sketchy card. So I'm going to randomize it once. Randomize it twice. And randomize it 3 times. Cool. So the top, oh, of course. Now what's somebody going to say? The Colts get every hit possible. But anyway, the Colts are going to get that card. So, AD, you got yourself a little Kevin Durant. I know. Unbelievable. How dare you, random.org, be so random that you give people random cards and things. How dare you? So Kevin Durant. Nice. So for box 11, there you go. All right, next is box number 10. And that's going to be Scotty Little Baby Pippen, okay? Good, Jay. I'm perfect. Jay. So there's once, if it connects to the internet, yes. Twice. And 3 times. It's going to the Bears. It's going to the Bears. It's not the Colts. It's the Bears. This is box number 10 for the Scottie Pippen going to the Bears, which would be OHM, man. There you go, buddy. So you got the Scotty. Nice. All right, that's number 10. And number 9. Actually, this one's actually pretty tight. So, Little Michael Jordan sketch card 101. So this is box number 9, and so we're going to randomize it 3 times. And how dare the Colts even be a team? How dare you? All right, that's once, twice, and 3 times. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No, it's not. It's the Chargers. So the Chargers, who's got the Chargers? San Diego, Stevie F. You got yourself a little Michael Jordan, bub. So congratulations, Stevie F. There you go. And so now we're on to box number 9, random.org. And so that's for George Meekin. So once, twice, and I gotta do it one more time. There we go. Almost. There we go. And that's going to the Packers. So Green Bay, which will be hammer time. So you get yourself a George Meekin. Here you go, Bob. All right. Box number 7. So randomize that once, twice, and 3 times. That'll be going to the 49ers. All right. Mr. Pogge. Here you go, buddy. You got a Dirk Ninowichkinich, Ninowichka. There you go. All right. Next is going to be box number 6. And that'll be Tim Duncan looking confused. So box number 6, we'll randomize it 3 times. And that'll be going to the Cowboys. Who's got Dallas? That will be DJ Newman. There you go, buddy. So you got a little Tim Duncan. All right, next, this will be for box 6. I don't know why I brought all the cards down there, but I'm sorry, box number 5. I apologize. Box number 5 will be a Russell Westbrook. So, randomize it. How boring would it be to follow? It says down here at the bottom, it says follow on Twitter, random.org. What are they gonna tweet about? I have no idea. Like, what do you tweet about, random.org? I guess I should probably go there and find out. But that's going to the Steelers. Here you go. B. Lee. There you go, buddy. You got a Russell. Cool. Now on to box number 4. Oh, random tweets. I like it. Oh, Matty G. He's on top of his game. After hitting that Geno Smith 101 Super Refractor, Matty G is... You're out of control, but I like it. And 3 times there. That'd be going to the Bills. Right there. Joey Z, you got yourself a Charles Barkley. Cool. It's number 4. Number 3 is going to be Wilt the Stilt. And that's going to the Bengals. Who's got the Bengals? That would be Cincinnati Waxman. There you go, bud. There you go. Wilt. Cool. You got box number 2. This would be Grant Hill. Nice. That'll be going to the Bills. Schmuffalo. Wiley Kid 1976. You get yourself a Grant Hill. All right. And finally, the last one is a Magic Johnson from box number 1. Pointing that finger. Thanks, Popeye. Take care, buddy. And that will be going to the Jaguars. So Billy D, 13. Magic Johnson. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. So, I thought overall it was a very, very amazing